Annette. Today we are here to film the Chubby Bunny Challenge. A whole lot of popular YouTubers have done it, and we're just now starting out our channel, so we figured we'd do it as well. I believe the rules of the game are to take one marshmallow at a time, stick it in your mouth, and you have to be able to say Chubby Bunny. You can't chew, you can't eat, you can't eat them, you can't spit them out, and you have to say Chubby Bunny as clear as possible or you're disqualified. Do you just want to go first?
Yeah.
Okay. We're just going to let her go first. Alright, you stick it in your mouth. You can't chew it, you can't eat it. Okay? And then say Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Look at the camera and say it.
Chubby Bunny.
Okay?
Chubby Bunny.
I'll get mine. Just
Come.
Chubby Bunny. Alright? Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Another one. You gotta do another one.
Chubby Bunny. It hurts my mouth. It makes me want to spit and eat it.
It's so hard to get it over. Chubby Bunny. You're gonna try it. No. Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny. Go, your turn. You're out. Chubby Bunny.
I got 1, 2, 3. Can I do it? Mommy, can I do it, Mom? Please? Mommy, how about we do can I do it, Mommy? Mommy, can I do it?
Chubby Bunny.
Can I do it, Mommy? Can I eat this? It's wet.
Chubby Bunny.
Here! Spit!
Everyone.
Spit! Ew, you spit all over me! No!
Chubby Bunny. You didn't count.
Me? Raji? Okay.
Chubby Bunny.
Mom!
I couldn't stop laughing. I could have gotten it really big. Chubby Bunny.
You put it here.
Chubby Bunny.
Yeah, put it here. I got 1, 2, 3. 4.
Chubby Bunny. But
Wait, you got it.
she's little, so she lost. This one couldn't stop laughing.
And you did it.
She wanted to be the best.
Yes, I want to
Yeah,
be
so this is a very short video, but we appreciate you for watching. We hope it entertains you. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button below, and we shall see you later. Bye.